Hello guys, today we'll talk about new phone is Oneplus 13 or before begin don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive all videos. Number 1, the body measures 161.7 x 75.8 x 8 mm and the phone weight 206 gram and have IP65 dust waterproof and dust proof. Number 2, the screen here is a AMOLED display with size of 6.78 inches and a resolution of 1264 by 2780 pixels and come with refresh rate 120 Hz, brightness reach to 4500 nits. Number 3, the processor. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This means you can play games as PUBG Mobile Smooth, Ultra Extreme, which means 90 frames per second, and same thing in Call of Duty Low, Ultra FPS, and other games with one from best experience. And the phone come with stereo speakers system clear and loud. And before entering the fourth point, I hope you don't forget to do like and subscribe. Activate the notification bell. Number 4, the camera. There are 3 camera here. The main camera wide in this phone 50 megapixel, the second camera 50 megapixel telephoto, the third camera ultra wide 8 megapixel, take beautiful pictures as you see and record video 4K 30 frames per second, and front camera wide 16 megapixel and the camera record video 1080 30 frames per second. Battery. The battery size is 5000 mAh, a big battery with charger 80 watt charge 50% in 20 minutes. Number 5, the price of Oneplus 13 is $599 version 256GB 12GB RAM and 512GB 16GB RAM. Price is $699. Thank you to watch to the end of video. Don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.